Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials. Make sure you're signed into the Apple ID that pays for Apple Music and that your subscription is active. Once done, open Settings on iPhone or System Settings on Mac. This is where family sharing lives. Make sure each family member has an Apple ID and that they can accept invites on their device. You begin the process now. Don't delay on setup steps, because family sharing must be configured before switching music plans. You enable family sharing. Tap your name in Settings, choose Family Sharing, then set up your family. Invite members via messages or enter their Apple ID directly. You're the organizer, so your payment method will be used. Once everyone accepts, navigate to Subscriptions under your Apple ID, find Apple Music, and choose the family plan. This converts the billing and allows up to 6 members. Make sure you confirm each invite, otherwise the member won't gain access. You switch plans by confirming the Apple Music family purchase in Subscriptions. Watch for the billing update on your card. Once switched, tell each family member to open the Music app and sign in so their access activates. If someone can't access Apple Music, make sure they accepted the family sharing invite and that all accounts share the same country or region. Differences block shared subscriptions. If issues persist, resend the invite or contact Apple support for a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.